Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? We are doing the month of August monthly budget shop because it's a new month to do good things, okay? New month to do good things. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as I am. And without further ado, let's get into this video because there's a whole bunch happening in August and we gotta let y'all get into it a little bit, you know? See what the do be doing. Today we're using the pink pen and it's so cute, but it is what it is. So without further ado, let's start the video.
Sauce on me. I got drip. I got flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Okay, y'all. So we are up close and personal for this month's monthly budget for the month of August. We are doing August 2023, and we are calculating my salary. So for my salary, I have a total of $3,985 that I'm expecting this month. And I also have a category of other because, you know, a little bit of change is coming your girl's way. So I expect a total of $600 extra to be coming to me this month. So that is what I'm budgeting the month of August for. So these two combined will equal a total of $4,585 for the month of August that we are budgeting, right? So some of my bills have not changed. They are basically the same, child, because they said, you know what, it is what it is, and this money is this money, right? So mortgage is still the same of $1,410.72. That doesn't change unless, of course, property taxes change. Then that's when that might go up or stay down, child. HOA is the same, increase from last year from $45 to now $50. Patreon, last month it was $18.55. That's what I budgeted for, but I realized that if I use my credit card then it's $18.55. If I use my debit card then it's $17.50. So I am budgeting this month to have a total of $17.50 for Patreon. Another thing is my pest control, which is this, which comes out on the 3rd. It's $66.73, but I'm thinking about canceling this because I went with another pest company. So I'm going to confirm what exactly they do with this pest control, and then we are going to cancel it or cancel the other one. We're going to verify, but we're not paying for two, child. No ma'am, you know. The next thing is internet. Internet is $95 budgeted. Driven Elite, which is my gym, is $25. Merrick, which is my dad, he is the 1st and the 16th, so he gets $200. ADT Security is $53.91. Navy Fed CC is $200 is what I'm budgeting for Navy Fed CC, and I'm thinking that's going to be the minimum balance to pay on it anyway. So I want to make sure that I'm paying the minimum balance and then I can add on to it, you know. So $200 is what I'm estimating to put on my Navy Fed card. Apple this month is $8.55. That doesn't change. Electricity is comes out on $8.25, and I am changing the budget for this. For electricity for the month of August, I'm expecting it to go up to about $180. Okay, so electricity is gonna be high this month for me anyways, and it's gonna be $180. That's what I'm budgeting for. It might be more, might be less, we'll find out. Car payment will be $401, which is my normal car payment. Apple One is going to be $24.41. And then last but not least is my water, which my water is coming out on the 31st of August again because it comes out on the last billing month of the, not billing month, but the last like weekday except holidays of the month, which is the 31st. So I think this is a Thursday. And so water is usually $65-70 as estimated, but this month it's gonna be an estimate of $120. That's how much I'm budgeting water for. Okay, so in total for my bills, my total bills that I'm going to have is $2,800. Can you see that? $2,852.82. That is my total in bills that I currently am working with. Okay, next I'm gonna go over my cash envelopes. in my budget binders. So for my cash envelopes, I'm expecting a budgeted amount of $685. My sinking funds, I'm expecting an amount of $947.16. And then my saving challenges will have a budgeted amount of $100. So all in all, this comes up, what does this come up to? Oh child, what is it? Oh, all in all, this comes up to $1,732.16. So this is how much is being budgeted for my budget binders. So we'll put all of my budget together. This is 4,585. My expenses is $2,852.82. And I feel like I'm missing 2 cents. That's 98. I feel like I'm missing 2 cents somewhere, but we're not gonna worry about it right now. And then I'm missing 2 cents somewhere. This is supposed to be 18, and so, but I'll verify all that at the end. And then my budget binder is going to be $1,732.16. Okay, it's throwing me off. So I'm off by 2 cents, I think. Where's my calculator? Let's see real quick. So 4,585 plus 1,732.16. No, that's wrong. This is 2,582. This is 2,852.82 plus 1,732.16 equals to 4,584.98. So I'm missing 2 cents. I don't know from where. Let's see real quick. We'll go back up here real quick. So this is 2, 5, 6, 11, 12. So that's that. So I'm guessing it's down here that I'm messing up the money. So I'm gonna change this to 18, that to 18, this to 18, and then this to 0. Cause I changed. So that's to 18, this to 18, that to 18, and then the total, that remainder is 0. Cause I don't like not knowing what's happening, what's going on. So this is the budget for the month of August, and let me zoom you guys out a little bit. Okay, let's zoom out. So this is my budget for the month of August, how much I'm starting with and how much we are going to put towards our expenses and our binders and self, and then we should have a 0 balance. The other thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my goals of the month. So I numbered them of all the goals 1 through 7 of the goals that I have for this month. The first one is to have 16 no spend days. Trying to have the same goal as July and see if I complete the 16 no spend for August. Number 2 is I want $100 to go towards my emergency fund. So I just started adding towards my emergency fund again, and so since this is the second month, I want to make sure that each month I'm adding at least $100. So at the end of August, I want to have $200 in there, but the goal is to have $100 this month and to see where we're at the end of August. The third goal is I have 3 saving challenges that I'm doing. So I want to complete 2 slots for each of the saving challenges. So complete 2, 2 slots. That's actually what it is. I'm doing a 100 envelope challenge. I'm doing the 10 of a kind challenge. And then I'm doing the scratch and save challenge. The scratch and save challenge by Beautifully Me and You. So I want to make sure that for each of those that I do 2 out of the 3 challenges that I'm doing. The next thing I want to do is pay $200 on my credit card balance. That is what it's going to be at the end of August. I'll have a August expense, or not August, but a July expense update of what I spent where and what my current balance is for August for my credit card and my total debt in itself, so you guys can see basically what your girl working with, right? So I want to put $200 plus on my credit card because I feel like that's gonna be my minimum balance for it. So that's what I want to put on there. 5, I want to use only $210 on my credit card for car repairs. So I have a total of $1,795.58 in car repairs that needs to happen, but I don't have a lot of money in my car maintenance. So I'm going to use my credit card because the thing that I need to have done is essential to having my car still functioning and to not have me stop in the middle of the road. So I'm going to make this a priority, and with that, since I don't have enough money in my car maintenance funds, I'm going to have to use some of my credit card. So that's what this goal is. Number 6 is to spend no more than $1,000 on a credit card for my Jamaica trip. If you guys don't know, I'm going back home to Jamaica at the end of August. So, and I do not have a lot for my travel. So I'm going to be using my credit card. But the goal is to use no more than $1,000 while I'm there. Because the hotel that I'm going to is all inclusive. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner, hotel. And then it's like an amusement park, so it's all inclusive of the hotel there. So the $1,000 is really for food. Let's talk about it. The $1,000 is really for food, so I'm hoping not to spend more than $1,000 on my credit card while I am there. Of course, I'm going to do 1 or 2 excursions, but the main point of the trip to me is to eat. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm going back to see family. I'm going back to have fun, to experience my island. But baby, it's to eat. And then the last but not least goal of the month that I have is spend no more than $2,000 extra on my credit card for the month of August. If you guys go back to goal 5 and 6, you'll see that I'm already have a goal to not spend more than $210 for my car repairs. And that's with me, you know, cash stuffing and putting money into my cash envelope. And then I'm also trying not to spend more than $1,000 on this Jamaica trip. So all in all, this $1,000 plus this $210 is $1,210. And you guys are like, girl, why $2,000? Well, in the month of August, my car insurance is also coming out. And that's about $500–600. So let's go on the high side and say $600. Between the $1,000, the $200, and the $600, that's gonna be about $1,800 dollars. And so that leaves me about a $200 wiggle room for my credit card. And then I don't know what expenses might pop up, y'all. So to account for all of those and all the unexpected that might happen, I want to spend no more than $2,000 extra on my credit card than what is currently on there. So yes, my debt will be going up this month. I'm already fully aware. Yes, I'm going to use my credit card. I'm already fully aware. I'm just letting you guys know, so when you guys see it, like, don't be surprised, guys. You know, and this is what happens when you don't basically plan or budget your money correctly, but you make other plans with not your money, aka credit card. So you have to spend and use money that you probably would not want to use. And in my budgeting journey now, I don't want to use my money for these, but I know I have to use my money in order to get, you know, these things happening, because these are essentially life or death, safety, and also money that I'm not planned for, but I need to eat, so I have to do that. And then car insurance is something that I have to have on my car. So, you know, all those things are happening in the month of August. But I'm excited for the month of August because in the month of July I did really, really well, and I'm super proud of myself. Of course, I made some slips here and there, and you guys will see that in the July you know, run through. But for the month of July, I'm really proud. I made really good progress, and I took a step in the right direction. So I'm super excited for August, just because I know the potential that I have for the month of August because of what happened in July. So that is my July budget. That is everything. That is the breakdown of what I'm expecting to happen. Like I said, look out for that July budget video so you guys can see exactly what happened in July with all my monies and stuff. But very super excited for all the good jazz of August. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was inspirational and, you know, helped you guys in making your decisions to budget and get your money right together. With my experiences, hopefully they give you, you know, the courage to make the best decision for you and your family in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing. That would be really great and helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, then hit a like and leave a comment down below. Let me know, like, what were you most proud of in July? Even if you didn't make all your goals or meet all your goals, what was the one thing in July that you're proud of? And it doesn't have to be budgeting, just something that you're proud of, because we all need encouragement for ourselves sometimes. So yeah. Anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see you in the month of August for this budgeting. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't